Let's go to some fast ways to make some money today. We're going to go to Apple. Broke below that key support level, closing at 325. Can you still short, or are you done?
At this point, from 350 down to 330 and change, I would be covering your shorts. I'd be looking for an area to buy. 326 was a level that got tested on Friday. We bounced off it. If we don't hold that today, I'm going to be really looking to buy this around 318 to 320, or the 200-day around 322. So there's opportunity this week in Apple in buying a bounce. I think you missed your opportunity on the short side.
What about Google, closing at 509 on Friday?
Google we put as a technical short below 513 on the price point sheet. I still think we need a better market. We could see 480 here, so don't be in a rush to buy Google.
And Netflix bouncing around at support level here, 258. Could you short?
Well, I want to show you this chart because we pointed this out last week on when to sell longs, when to get a short entry, and we might get a continuation to the downside. We talked about this outside day here that engulfed this whole area. Right now we've had no traction to the upside. No one looking to buy this bounce. So if this were to get below this 257 area, we could see it move down to 250. Hopefully you're out of some longs because this is a risky one in a very controlled downside environment.
Let's switch gears here and go to CF, one of the strongest stocks of late. It's a fertilizer, of course. Now, it showed a red dog reversal Friday, and I just, it pains me to actually
say that term.
say it out loud. But can we just go to the chart here real quick and just show what that means for our viewers?
Okay. This stock has been very strong. It did a small red dog reversal. It made a new high, came back below, a little bit of a sell signal. But for this, I think it just needs time. I think it needs time to accumulate, stay in the right portion of this area. It's trying to show some strength. It's so close to the highs while the market is looking for support that this one, once we finally get a little bit of a bounce, this will be off to the races. So don't be in a rush until we're in a better environment.
And last up here, we want to go to Amazon, hanging in kind of well.
Kinda.
It's
a good word. But you had two different action areas. You had one, the sell when it reversed through 200. Then you had the short below 191. Now it's trying to stay above this 185. I do think that if the market stays under pressure, this one that's been acting a little better but faulty, this 185 will be important. If it breaks this, you're going to see this gap down to about 181. So, stay very flexible with this Amazon. It's been hard to be long and short. I've tried it both ways. I have not had much success there.
Better but faulty. All right. I think that kind of wraps